this is the Saberforms Lightsaber. This is the Neopixel 4. And anyway, what happened to my lightsaber? No, I took it apart so I could show you. This is the Neopixel board, right? And oh, by the way, I'm Pittsburgh Pat, smash like and all that stuff. And affiliate link in the description for this saber. So this is a 2-button saber, so you see it still works with the cover off. But I took the cover off so I could show you guys how you charge it. And so let's do this a little bit, see if that'll work. Okay, so here's how you charge this thing. Shameless self-promotion here. And there's a USB, it comes with a USB-C cord. It does not come with the charger. So USB-C cord, and be careful, don't use a charger that's too strong for this thing. So right here you'll see there's a USB-C slot, and that's how you charge this thing. So how did I get this cover? And you push it until it clicks. Now how did I get this cover off? And well, I'll put it back on, and then you can reverse engineer it from there. How about that? So apparently all of these parts are standard. So there's third-party companies that you can buy these kinds of parts from, and they will just kind of fit on here like so, and then they will screw into place. And these threads are universal. So you can go from one saber company to another. They pretty much use the same threads. And here's the pommel, right? Put that on there. And usually what you do is you back it in. Right? So you go counterclockwise until it does that. And then that's all there is to it. Now, if you were looking for one, some sabers do actually have the USB port in an open place where you can see it. But this way it's all self-contained, so you can't get any dirt into it. So I guess it's good in that sense. And honestly, the battery life on this, I just got it, so I can't say from experience, but it's a 3000. So usually they're like 1200 or so. So this is a pretty strong battery. So hope you guys have a great day. May the force be with you. And I hope you enjoy your Saberforms saber. If you don't already have one of these, use the affiliate link below, because if you do that, that helps me. And it doesn't cost you any extra money. It just helps me. So have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.